Hey, it's Dr. John St. John with Chagrin Natural Health Clinic, and today I want to talk to you about the heart sound recorder. So what is a heart sound recorder? Well, I'm going to show you, okay? Heart sound recorder is a device, it's a wellness device that will identify nutritional deficiencies directly in your heart. Okay, the heart is, the number one organ in the body, the most important organ in the body that we think of when we think of health and wellness, right? Heart disease is a killer. And what is the fuel for your body? What is the fuel for your heart? Food, right? Vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fats, etc. So wouldn't it be great to have a device that you could identify exactly what you're lacking and what your heart needs? So I'm going to show this to you. We have this wellness device right here. Okay, here it is, hooked up to a laptop. And this is actually a microphone that will measure heart sounds. It actually measures movement of the valves. So this device has been reverse engineered from an original technology back in the 30s and 40s. And we're excited to have this. We've had it a couple years in the practice and have been using it to some degree, but I really want to get it out there more because people need heart support, So right now you can see, now when I'm talking, it's going to alter the graph, but I'm going to be quiet for a moment. I just want you to take a look at the graph. Okay, you can see how it's measuring my heart at a certain location. Now, what do we do with this information? Well, what we do is we, as practitioners, we interpret the graph, and I'm going to show you some different examples of abnormal graphs and what nutritional deficiencies are the result of those abnormal graphs. So let's take a look here. So if you take a look here, this is a normal graph. So you can see the first sound is 2 to 3 times higher than the second sound. So you have a lub-dub, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. Now, if you look at the next graph, you can see there's a little abnormality. If you look right here, in between the two parallel red lines, you can see how there's extra motion there. Okay, it's a little bit elongated. Well, what that indicates is that person has a B vitamin deficiency. And we're not talking about B vitamins you get at Walgreens or Vitamin Shop. I mean, they need whole food B vitamins, and we have those at our clinic. And they come from things like liver, they come from rice bran and nutritional yeast, these types of things, which you don't really find in stores, okay? But we have very precise formulas that are sold only to healthcare practitioners that can actually correct this. Let's look at another example. Take a look right here. So you have a normal beat, lub-dub, and then you have a lub-nothing. So we call that a missing second heart sound. Believe it or not, that's an essential fatty acid disease or deficiency. It's a deficiency in flaxseed oil, fish oil, other fats that the body needs, or it could be a calcium deficiency. So you can see how there's a lot of different patterns here that we look at and interpret. So what we can do is we can find the exact right nutrients your heart needs, and we can correct the heart graph and, in essence, repair your heart. The body has the ability to repair itself, whether it's 22 or 82. So does the heart. So if you're interested in getting a heart sound recorder, give us a call. Actually, get an evaluation for this. Give us a call. We're going to offer a $30 initial evaluation and heart graph with interpretation, and we'll let you know what you're lacking and what you need. So we're here to help. Please share this, like this, and have a great day. Take care.